The low cable squat with rope is a leg exercise that targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Unfortunately, the movement pattern of this setup isn't ideal for effectively overloading the legs, as the resistance moves more horizontally instead of aligning with the vertical motion of a squat. However, this variation can be a good option for beginners or individuals with lower back issues who want to avoid placing additional weight on their spine. Here's how to do it properly. Attach a rope handle to the low pulley of a cable machine. Stand facing the cable machine with your feet shoulder width apart. Grab the ends of the rope with both hands, palms facing each other. Step back slightly, creating tension on the cable, and hold the rope in front of your hips. Position your feet slightly wider than shoulder width, toes pointing slightly outward for stability. Keep your chest up, back straight, and core engaged. Inhale and begin lowering your body by pushing your hips back and bending your knees while keeping your weight distributed through your heels. Squat until your thighs are parallel to the ground or slightly below, while focusing on keeping your back straight and chest lifted to avoid rounding your spine. Exhale as you push through your heels and return to the starting position by extending your knees and hips. Keep the tension on the cable as you stand up fully without locking out your knees. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.